What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and I'm going to get you guys started on mining some Dogecoin with basically any computer. Doesn't matter if it's a laptop, even this is an Asus ROG Windows handheld, desktop, anything. If it's got Windows on it, especially, you'll be able to mine Dogecoin or mine some coin and have it automatically convert to Dogecoin. So let me flip this around and show you how to do it. The first website you're going to need to go to is unmineable.com. Once you go to Unmineable, you'll just click on Get Started. It'll bring you to this page right here, and then you can click on the Unminer application. Don't click on the base. That does not download the miner files, and you will need those. So click on this. It will download. Some browsers may flag this for potentially having a virus in it. That's because viruses in the past have utilized miners to mine on your computer maliciously and pay out somebody else. That doesn't mean that this is a virus, if that makes sense. So, all right, now that that's downloaded, we'll click on that and go ahead and install it. I already had an older version of this running, so I'm installing the newest version. All right, after it's done installing, just make sure the Run Unminer is selected. Click Finish. And it will launch the application. Then click Continue. You can click on Auto Detect, and if you're new, this is probably the easiest thing for you to do. If you have a graphics card in your computer, it'll detect the best algorithm to mine on that graphics card. Or if you have a CPU, you can just go to the settings page and select either graphics card or CPU. If you have an older computer or you don't have a dedicated graphics card, just click CPU, and then Random X is the most profitable at the moment. And then click Save and click Next. Then on this drop-down list, you're going to need to pick the coin that you want to be paid out in. So if you want to be paid out into Dogecoin, you're going to need to type in Doge and select Dogecoin. Then you enter your address right here, which, let me go grab my Doge address. All right, so I pasted my Doge address in there, and you can get your Doge address from your Dogecoin wallet. If you don't have a Dogecoin wallet, you can search it. There's plenty of wallets out there that support Doge, and then you're good to go. Once you do that, click on Start. You can enter a referral code in here. I'm not giving you a referral code. I suggest you use your own referral code. Once you get started, I'll show you where to find that. But yeah, enter your own referral code and it saves you on some of your fees. So you click Start there, and you'll see payouts are from 30 Doge. So you gotta amass a little bit of Doge before you get paid out. It will go ahead and start hashing here in a second. And then to see your actual stats, you click on your address. That will open a web page and let it load. Looks like I have 2.2 Doge on there from previously mining. You can go to workers, and you can see what workers are connected or live. Nothing has connected yet because it just started mining. It takes a few minutes for it to catch up. Then you can click on stats, and what I like to look at after you give it a full 24 hours or a day or two is past 24-hour rewards. It'll have an amount of the coin, and then you can take that and multiply that by the price of the coin so you can see how much you're making per day. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You're up and mining Doge, and you can set the auto pay right here. So auto pay once a day whenever my balance is over 30 Doge, or you can leave that off and click pay out whenever you want to pay out. So let's see if let's refresh this and see if the worker is showing up yet. Nope, he's not showing up yet. And local hash rate's 3,800. Effective hash rate is what it actually sees on the pool side. So it is going to take a while. Oh, there, it popped up right there. So you currently have one worker online connected, one algorithm, which is RandomX. It will have to take time to spool up or catch up. So it's showing 0 hashes right now, but that's good that it shows it's connected. Now you can use multiple computers all to the same address, and it will pool all together and then pay out at one time. So that way you could get to your 30 Doge payout faster. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'd love to hear down below, are you guys mining Dogecoin? Have you mined Dogecoin? And do you plan on mining Dogecoin? Yeah, other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Adios.